Count is 1-1 Carly Quico, of course, basically won her own game against Banning. She brought in both runs on a home run and the single. She rips it into the 5-6 hole for a base hit. She will not leave Peninsula with 0 in her at-bat efficiency. She'll be 1 for 4 at least. And we'll have a courtesy runner coming for her. That would be number 3, Tori Garcia, a freshman. And now it's Hannah DiGaetano's turn. She walked her last time, so she's 0 for 2, hit into a fielder's choice, which ended the first, and a ground out back to the pitcher to end the third. Of course, Holly Stevens will be on deck, with DiGaetano now coming up to the plate. No double play would possibly bring Courtney Costa in. She also has 2 hits. Courtney, I'm assuming, does not want to see Brianna Simpson again, so this is a huge inning, obviously, defensively for Peninsula. Because if they can shut San Pedro down, they have an opportunity of tying it in the 7th, bottom half of the 7th. First pitch to DiGaetano, who's showing bunt. Pulls it back, and the pitch is high for ball 1. That is the 9th hit by San Pedro in this game, by the way, when Kylie Quico led off with a single. Next pitch to DiGaetano. That time she wanted to go for the swing, and she missed. Tori Garcia, of course, is on first base running for Quico. DiGaetano has not homered yet this season. Next pitch is called for ball 2. The Pirates would love to get a run or 2 with the way Peninsula's hitting today to get some insurance. DiGaetano looks at ball 3. DiGaetano will look to see if she can do some damage. I don't think she would want to do some damage walking for the second time, but it may turn into a big inning if Cornelian does not throw a strike. DiGaetano ropes it into right field, drops for a base hit, and she is safe at first. The ball goes away. Tori Garcia will go to third and stay there on the errant throw. DiGaetano still gets a, I think she gets a hit on that. But the throw by the right fielder, Tandra Lee, was errant, so that's an error. DiGaetano still gets credited with a base hit. That's the 10th hit for San Pedro, and that allowed Tori Garcia to go to third, the error that is. And now at the plate is Holly Stevens, first pitch to her. She looked to go for the bomb there on that first pitch, but good location by Courtney to force her to foul it back. Of course, the Stevens family has been spread around at both San Pedro and Peninsula. Of course, I think it was Craig Stevens who played at Peninsula and played at Cal before going into the... Here's another shot by Stevens. That's a base hit, and San Pedro gets another run as Tori Garcia will come on down on the 3rd hit for Hollywood and her 2nd RBI. On the single makes it 6-3, and so far in the top of the 7th, we have nobody out. 3 straight hits, and here comes a person who already has 2 hits on her own, Courtney Costa.